Hello! Today I'm going to show you how to create a character in Hogwarts Legacy on the Xbox Series X. So as you can see right now, I've got already one character created, and let me just show you how to create another one and how the whole process is made. So firstly, let's select new character. As you can see, we've got the Hogwarts Witchcraft and Wizardry letter, when we are pleased to inform that we have been accepted at Hogwarts School of Witchcraft and Wizardry as a 5th year student. Let's accept it with pressing X button. And now we can select our character preset. Let's select this one, for example, and by using RB and LB we can select details about our character. So we can select new face, we can change screen color, add glasses or remove them. Next we can change the hairstyle, and hair color. Then we can change complexion for freckles and moles, and freckles and moles itself. We can add some scars and markings, change eye color and eyebrow color. Also we can change the shape of the eyebrows. Then we can change voice tone.
I'm eager to get to Hogsmeade.
A few cobwebs and some dust. That was quite something.
And voice speech.
I am indeed a student, but I could very well be able to help you.
Then we can change difficulty of the game between story, easy, normal and hard. And in the end we have to select our character name. Confirm by pressing menu button. And then we have to select dormitory between witch or wizard. In the end we simply have to select start your journey. And that's basically it for the character creation.
It appears we are almost ready to depart. It's a pity we didn't have a bit more time to spend on spellcasting. I presume you've been practicing the spells we worked on.
I have, Professor.
Well, I'm quite sure I've never seen anyone take so quickly to a second.
Let me skip the intro. And that's basically it. If you find this video helpful, please hit like, comment and subscribe.